Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this now is exponential equation. Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a times a, which is the same thing as a squared. And this here, I write it as 5 raised to power x or squared equals to 60 from here. Then this follows when we have a raised to power n, which is raised to power n, same thing as a raised to power mn. And this here we have 5 raised to power 2x equals to 60 on this side. Then here we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power 2x equals to log 60 from here. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. That is, here we have 2x log 5 equals to log 60 from here. Then here, divide both sides by log 5. We divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5. As this here, log 5 cancel each other. We have 2x equals to log 60 over log 5. Then, from here, we can write 60 as 5 times 12. That is, what we have here becomes 2x equals to log 5 times 12 over log 5. Then this follows what we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. Then what we have here becomes 2x equals to log 5 plus log 12 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions and this becomes 2x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 12 over log 5. Then here, log 5 cancelled each other, one left here, which implies 2x equals to 1 plus log 12 over log 5. Then, next step here, also 12 can be written as 4 times 3. What here becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 4 times 3 over log 5. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 4 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 4 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. That is here. 4 also, we can write it as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. And we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 squared over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here. And this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Then applying change of base, when we have log a over log b, this same thing as log a base b. Like this here we have 2x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Then we divide both side by 2 here. Divide this side by 2, also divide this side by 2. As these two cancel each other here, we have x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2. This we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. I just will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2. That is, what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2 times also 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2 is it equals to 60 on this side. And here this follows when we have a raised to power n times also a raised to power n, which can be written as a raised to power n plus n, which is 2m. And here this becomes 5 raised to power 2 times 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2 is it equals to 60 on this side. That is, this power multiplies and 2 here cancelled each other. We have 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. And we apply law of indices. We have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. 5 raised to power 1, that's 5 times. Here we reverse this 2 from power log. We have 5 raised to power log 2 squared, which is 4, is 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 is 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then we apply the law of logarithm. We have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 5 times 4 times 3. Is it equals to 60 on this side? And here 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, that's 60, which is equals to 60 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.